Me as a cook, I'm a perfectionist, so it's got to taste right. Every little detail has to come through, and when it does, it makes little simple dishes taste extraordinary.
I don't have a filter in life. I don't have a filter in cooking. I'm from Arizona, I'm from Sonora, and I wear those two flags with pride.
I am a formidable competitor, but classically trained, and I like the juxtaposition of fancy and casual, and therein lies, I think, the beauty of food.
I've been cooking for a really long time. Last 20 years especially, I was cooking handcrafted Italian, lots of fresh pastas, things like that, and now I own a barbecue restaurant. So I kind of marry those two worlds together. It's fun.
I'm a Mexican chef that grew up in the United States, so I have the best of both worlds. I'm able to tap into that California cuisine, but have all of Mexico behind me.
I think I bring a diverse repertoire, being a Korean American, training in Japanese and French cuisine.
I've been doing this for 20 years, and I'm here to bring it and show the world what I can do.
I am Native American and Mexican American. I like to highlight indigenous foods, indigenous ingredients, and really do a lot of storytelling within my cuisine and my food.
My strategy on going on TOC is, first of all, enjoy the heck out of it. I am in TOC arena. I'm with the elite of the elite. And actually have faith in myself because I know I can do it. I'm here for a reason.
I don't want to be too concerned about sticking with a particular game plan. I want to go in and kind of let the ingredients speak for themselves. And I think at the end it'll all come together as a really cohesive dish.
I'm brand new to TOC. I have not done cooking competitions before, and I think that's kind of to my advantage. People don't know what they're gonna expect. So for me, I'm just gonna get in there, focus on making a tasty dish, and chalk up some wins.
I'm the newbie to TOC. I have no fear. I'm just gonna come out there and do what I do best, which is cook.
My strategy is just to come and cook the simplest, best dish. It's gonna be easy to do that.
The strategy always has to be play the randomizer. It's like the old Mike Tyson, everybody's got a plan to get punched in the face. That randomizer's gonna punch you in the face, you just gotta go with it.
My strategy is stick with what I know. I'm not trying to create something that I've never done before. Keep it simple and make, flavorful food.
I've never been on TOC, and my strategy today is just to really lean on what I know. I think a lot of people always try to complicate their lives. I'm gonna go for amazing flavors that are traditional in my cooking.
I have what it takes. I have the experience, I have the knowledge, I have the skills. It's just about capturing that lightning in a bottle at the right time in the right place. So I'm feeling really good going into this, and I can't wait to show everybody.
I have a lot of passion, I have amazing flavors, but on top of that, I have the drive to get to the end. I'm winning, and I'm so excited.
Well, first of all, they need some Latinas out there. I mean, I don't want to say everybody should, exit, but they can get comfortable and watch me win.
I've been grooming myself. I've been in kitchens for a solid 20 years. It's my time to shine, so I'm just gonna let it rip.
I've competed on cooking competitions before. I know how it goes. I know the adrenaline rush that comes along with it, and I really like to stay calm in the kitchen, so I think that'll give me an upper hand in this.
Not only am I just a survivor, I'm a warrior. This is a big challenge that I'm gonna win.
I know how to cook. I know how to compete. I know my way around a stove, and I know how to self-edit now.
Obviously, I'm the underdog here, but I've beaten some great chefs in the past in competitions, and I'm here to bring my A game today.
I would be nervous to battle Brooke. She is mighty and tiny, but she's got a lot of flavor, a lot of punch, and a lot of expertise in this, so I'm hoping I would never have to go up against her. And I admire her, so who wants to go up against their heroes, you know what I mean?
Ooh, oh man. I gotta say maybe Mei Lin. She is a beast in the kitchen. She's a friend of mine, so I know that. So it'll be like that personal and professional dynamic.
Let's be honest, no dude has ever won TOC, so I would say all the female competitors, those are going to be your biggest hurdles to get over, but I'm down for the challenge.
Holy moly, that's a loaded question. Who am I? I mean, the OGs.
I think Chef Mei Lin, I watched her compete in TOC last year, and she's a beast.
Brooke Williamson. I think she's got incredible flavors, and the fact that she's won and she's always gotten so far, it like makes me shake in my boots.
All of them are fantastic, but Mei Lin is just like super hardcore, focused, technical, amazing. I would really have to bring my A game for that.
Manit. I mean, Manit is formidable with her command. She brings like the Eastern food flavors to like this like Midwest sensibility being in Nashville. So I think she is a fierce competitor.